Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very easy knitting stitch pattern. From the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, this pattern can be used for making any knitting project like scarf, shawl, muffler, jacket, sweater, etc. It is only 2 rows repeat knitting pattern and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 2. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also hit the like button and share my video with your friends in your groups and keep supporting me. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 12 stitches on my needle, 12 multiple of 2. Friends, this is not any loop. This is due to a cast on method. So let's start the first row of the pattern right side. Slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is pull a loop from here, the space between these 2 stitches. Insert a needle here like this. Pull a loop like this. It should not be too tight or too loose. Then knit this stitch through the back loop. So we will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is pull a loop from here, the space between 2 stitches, pull a loop from here, then knit this stitch through the back loop. Again repeat, pull a loop, then knit one through the back loop. Pull a loop, insert a needle here, pull a loop and knit this stitch through a back loop. Pull a loop from here, knit this stitch through the back loop. Pull a loop and knit this stitch through a back loop. One more repeat, pull a loop from here and knit this stitch through the back loop. Pull a loop from here, knit this stitch through the back loop. One more repeat, pull a loop and knit one through the back loop. Then again insert a needle here and pull a loop and knit this stitch through the back loop. So in this way we will complete our first row. Last is our edge stitch, so knit the edge stitch. Second row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that pattern will be start, and the pattern is, friends, here is 1 stitch and 1 loop, this one. Now we will purl these 2 stitches together, 1 loop and 1 stitch. Purl 2 stitches together. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is purl 2 stitches, 1 stitch and 1 loop. Purl 2 stitches together. Again purl 2 stitches together. Purl 2 stitches together. Purl 2 stitches together. Purl 2 stitches together. Purl 2 stitches, 1 stitch and 1 loop together. Purl 2 stitches together. Purl 2 stitches together, and last repeat is purl 2 stitches together. So in this way we will complete our second row. Last is our edge stitch, so simply purl the edge stitch. So friends, after the 2 rows our pattern is ready like this. We will repeat these 2 rows up to the desired length of our pattern. When we repeat these 2 rows we will get pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.